Welcome to DhruboSphere. Let's learn about big, strong construction vehicles. And hey, if you love learning cool things about vehicles, don't forget to subscribe to DhruboSphere. Excavator. Bulldozer. Dump truck. Cement mixer. Crane. Road roller. Backhoe loader. Skid steer loader. Wheel loader. Grader. Trencher. Forklift. Tower crane. Telehandler. Concrete pump truck. Mini excavator. Articulated dump truck. Boom lift. Scissor lift. Next time you see a construction site, wave hello to the machines. They're working hard to build something amazing. Thanks for watching DhruboSphere. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye, builders. Beep, beep.